Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize the style of your Windows theme on Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this we'll need to hit the start. Now go to the settings, personalization. You can go for the themes, colors or background. So first let's go with a background. Inside you can change any wallpaper, so personalize your background with a picture, solid color or slideshow or Windows Spotlight. If you want a picture, select the custom image, then go for choose photo and you can use your own images for that. You can change the contrast theme right here. And that's all of the important settings in the background. Next one is colors, and here you can adjust how your toolbar looks, for example. So pick a different colors for it. Let's use these colors, for example. We can choose our mode from light, dark or custom, and that way you can choose your default Windows mode to light and default app mode to dark. That's your choice right here. Transparency effects, you can enable or disable them. Show accent color on start and taskbar, so here you can see that the colors applied. Show accent color on title bar and Windows borders, and also the contrast themes which were shown before. There's the themes right here. You can select any preset themes. And also right here you can change the sounds of your Windows and a mouse cursor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.